Hello, everybody. Touched my lab mic. Hold on, let's try again. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. Today, what I wanted to talk to you about is some open source video games for your Linux system. So let's get right on into it. So we have Super Tux Kart and Super Tux. And I have the two package names right here. Those shouldn't be capital, I don't think. I'm going to just type in my password. It's in the Ubuntu repos. These are in most of the Linux repos as far as I'm aware. So probably whatever Linux distro you're on, you can install it. I do know that they have app images available in the event that you need to do it that way. They probably have snaps or Flatpaks as well. So we're going to go ahead and install those right now, and then I'll show you both of the video games in action. So here we have that one installed. Now I'm going to install Super Tux Kart as well. And that actually is right. It doesn't have the capitalization in it. And again, it's in the repo, so I'm going to just let it install. It's going to just quickly download here. Well, relatively quickly anyway. You know, these are relatively small, actually. You know, some video games, they can get pretty huge with, you know, different 3D models and all this stuff. But not Super Tux Kart Racer or not Super Tux. And I personally think they're both pretty fun. I play both of them. But we're going to let this finish downloading here. Just got a couple seconds left. Almost there. And come on. Any second now. And it's done downloading. And you can see that this installs pretty quickly. So now it's going to go ahead and install everything. All right, and now it's done installing. So I'm going to go ahead and run those. But we can actually start driving around, and I have the audio muted right now of the game, but if I did turn it on, you would be able to hear it. And so we'll go ahead and start driving around. And I think you get the general idea of this game. It's basically just to race around and try to get to the end of the racetrack before the other cars. And you can play against real people as well. I'm just playing against myself. And you can get sometimes useful things with those boxes. So like, for example, I have a bowling ball here I could throw. And like I said, there's different keys and such that you use. So it's not too complicated, I would say. But yeah, so we can go ahead and we can do this. It's kind of fun to drive like this. Wow, I've actually never drove this much up on the rocks before. I figured it would stop me. That's actually cool. Okay. Anyway, we'll go back. That's obviously not a good way to win. And you can even go in the ocean. You can kind of see how the game works. And I just passed that car. And anyway, you can see as we pass each other, we successfully go up there. But of course, they pass me again almost immediately. So it's a real struggle here, folks. And those arrows right here will help me. So let's see if I can pass again. So here's Super Tux, and I'm going to quickly put this in full screen before I forget. Awesome. And we can start a game. I like to do this mode where we do the contrib levels, and I'll just go into a level and show you here. So I could come in here and play around, and again, you're playing as Tux, which I really think is cool. So yeah, that's kind of how this works. I can... If I hit the right one of these, yep, there it is. So, there we go. And now I've got better lives. And if I got hit by this, it would hurt me. So you can see that. And I flash. And you get the idea. And if you jump down here by accident, then you lose that level and you have to start right back at the beginning. So it's pretty simple stuff. I'll go ahead and abort the game. But I think that... both of these games are really great, and so if you want to check them out, I'll leave the package information in the description and their websites, but I personally think they're pretty good. Thanks for watching Open Source Tonight, everybody, and I'll see y'all again very soon. Goodbye, everybody, and action.